locked from the inside. Hold on, please hurry.
Uh-oh. Tornado! Moody!
Uh-oh. Oh no, that's a tornado! It's coming! Ah! Help me! Come on, open!
It's still red! Try again!
I am!
It's jammed! Then we push!
Wait, what's that sound?
A tornado! Hold on!
Gotta get inside, gotta get inside. Locked? Come on, open. No, 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 no. That's not good. Uh-oh. Whoa! Hey, I'm airborne. This is not how I planned to fly.
What was that? Dude, it's a tornado! Run! Get to the door! Pull it! Pull it! It's locked! Oh, no, no, no! We're getting sucked up! This is not good!
No, no, no!
Max, hurry! It's coming!
Please open! Come on!
Oh no! Come on, open! It's locked! It's locked! A tornado! No, no, no! Ah! Somebody help me! Move! Come on, open it! It's locked? No, 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 no! Oh, that's bad. That's really bad. Uh-oh. Tornado! Nope, not today! Ah! I'm flying! I'm actually flying! This is not the good kind, though! Somebody catch me!